Our oceans are full of life, and few species are more fascinating than the jellyfish. Jellyfish are more than 600 million years old, having survived all 5 mass extinction events. Some are deadly, some have bioluminescence, and one species may be immortal. This tutorial will show you how to create your own luminescent jellyfish out of iridescent vinyl and NeoPixel LEDs. Easily add endless light patterns with WLED software, with no coding required. You can even make multiple jellyfish and sync them up over your Wi-Fi network. This is a fairly easy project with no coding and just a little soldering. The end result is out of this world. See the full build tutorial at learn.adafruit.com.